Power of Union Executive. Executive powers of President. The executive powers and functions of the President are: A. All executive actions of the Government of India are formally taken in his name. B. He can make rules specifying the manner in which the orders and other instruments made and executed in his name shall be authenticated. C. He can make rules for more convenient transaction of business of the Union Government and for allocation of said business among the ministers. D. He appoints the Prime Minister and the other ministers. They hold office during his pleasure. E. He appoints the Attorney General of India and determines his remuneration. The Attorney General holds office during the pleasure of the President. F. He appoints the Controller and Auditor General of India, the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners, the Chairman and members of the Union Public Service Commission, the Governors of States, the Chairman and members of Finance Commission, and soon. G. He can seek any information relating to the administration of affairs of the Union and proposals for legislation from the Prime Minister. H. He can require the Prime Minister to submit, for consideration of the Council of Ministers, any matter on which a decision has been taken by a minister but which has not been considered by the Council. I. He can appoint a commission to investigate into the conditions of SCs, STs and other backward classes. J. He can appoint an interstate council to promote center-state and interstate cooperation. K. He directly administers the Union territories through administrators appointed by him.